Nice. Didn't even move. Alright, timing belt job on a 94 Ranger. So, yeah, I was trying to start her and I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't go. It was just backfiring out the exhaust, and I looked online. They said first thing to check is look and see if the cam's turning. Well, I thought, of course, the cam's turning, you know. Well, and when I took the cover off, this is what I found. So, I ordered a new belt. $20 later, here we are. So, next step now is to try and get this cover off and get some stuff out of the way and hopefully get her changed out here. Alright, so behind the coolant line here, we find some nice crusty looking stuff here, which is, yeah, that's a little scary. Probably get this thing running and then it'll overheat or something on me. So anyway, keep her going. And the new timing belt's installed. So you got to remove the synchro balancer down there, or the crank balancer or whatever there. And there's a line you can line up on the washer for timing mark. This here I put the top dead center just right in the middle there. Apparently there's a mark, but I don't see it. And then on the cam here, I put this here mark with that little tick right there. And to tension it, I just guessed on tension. Hopefully it's not too tight. And I guess we basically gonna see if it's gonna go or not really. Yeah.